No doubt you've heard the concept that America has just stopped making things. Well, if you think that, I want you to think again, because on this week's Friday Focus, I'm going to uncover the surprising truth about the U.S. manufacturing world and, quite frankly, why it's more important than ever. All right, welcome to Wealthologist Friday Focus. I'm Chris Hobart, the Wealthologist. Now, today, I wanted to tackle a really common misconception that we're hearing quite a bit anymore, which is America doesn't make anything anymore. Now, I got to tell you, it is a narrative that's been around for years, but the data, when we dig into the data, it actually tells quite a different story. So let's break it down. First, yes, it is true. China surpassed the US as the world's largest manufacturer. It was about 15 years ago. But the thing is, the US still remains a manufacturing powerhouse. In fact, in 2024, US manufacturing output was so substantial that you'd need to combine the outputs of Japan, Germany, and South Korea just to match it. Now, second, the decline in manufacturing jobs doesn't equate to a decline in manufacturing itself. So, back in the 1940s, at nearly 39% of American workers, they were in manufacturing. Now, today, it's about 8%. But here's the kicker: US manufacturing output has increased more than 12-fold since then. You heard me right. Thanks to advancements in technology and automation, we are producing a lot more with fewer workers. Now, third thing I want to point out, the US has shifted focus to high tech, high skill manufacturing. Now, we're talking about aircraft and semiconductors, biotech, defense systems, and I guess what you'd call it advanced industrial systems. So, in terms of productivity, the US ranks among, quite frankly, the global elite. Yay, USA! Now, for instance, back in 2023, the average American manufacturing worker produced over 6 times more than their Chinese counterpart. So, what's the key takeaway here? Well, America's manufacturing sector, it hasn't disappeared. If anything, it's just evolved. It's leaner, it's smarter, and it's more focused on high value production. This evolution is crucial for investors and anyone really interested in the economic landscape. You see, at our firm, we believe in understanding these shifts make informed investment decisions, and recognizing the strength and direction of U.S. manufacturing can help guide strategies in sectors that are poised for better growth. All right, now I'm curious. Before watching this, now you can't cheat here, what was your perception of American manufacturing? Did any of this information surprise you? I know when I saw the numbers, I was kind of like, oh my gosh, this is pretty amazing. So I want you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, send us an email at heyhobart@hobartwealth.com. I'd love to hear your perspective. And of course, be sure to like and subscribe to this. And I want to thank you for joining us on the Wealthologist Friday Focus. Hopefully you found this insightful. Share it with someone who might still believe that myth that America doesn't make anything anymore, and you can prove to be the smart one in the room. And like I said before, don't forget to subscribe for more weekly insights into the economy and your investments. Until next time, stay informed and keep building your wealth with purpose.